Gotcha, buddy. Welcome home.
Wow, Grandpa, I'm the king.
Cows, let's go there now.
I see them, Grandpa.
And the barn, you little king.
The smell.
Whoa, what is that?
Ew, gross.
Wait, it's kinda interesting.
The smell of fresh bread. Wow, it's pulling me in.
Come on in, my dears.
Fresh farm breakfast, eggs, milk, and bread. This is different from home food. This changes everything. Wow, pure bliss.
Mia, you're on egg duty.
Yes, sir.
JJ, garden watering.
Huh? My shoes.
Papa teaches JJ to move.
He's called all the cows.
Cows just want to say hi.
Cluck, cluck. Time to collect the eggs. A perfect warm egg. My job.
Fair enough.
The pigs. Look, JJ. Whoa, they're so fast. I'm a piglet. I am documenting this. Mud, here goes.
Whoa, cold and wonderful.
Pure mud joy.
The horse. JJ and Mia, come meet the horse.
It's so tall. The softest thing. He tickles. Faster, Grandpa! Faster! The sheep, fluffy white sheep everywhere. The fluffiest thing. So fluffy. The baby animals, come see the newest arrivals. Baby chicks just hatched. So tiny. Whoa, the baby goats. They're climbing on me. Come back with my bow. Chickens, here comes a feast. Just a little, JJ. He trusts me.